Our vision is to be a leading, responsible and diversified global fishing and food business. Our mission is to responsibly harvest and add value to natural and marine resources in order to exceed customer expectations whilst providing sustainable employment and positively impacting the communities and stakeholders we serve. The Sea Harvest Group is a vertically integrated business. Our hake and prawn catches are certified as sustainably harvested by the Marine Stewardship Council. Sea Harvest Corporation catches, processes and markets various hake products, which are sold in South Africa and internationally. The Sea Harvest fleet in South Africa consists of 38 factory freezer and wet fish trawlers, as well as purse seiners, which operate out of the port towns of Cape Town, Saldanha Bay, St. Helena Bay and Mossel Bay. At West Point Processors, we are dedicated to transforming fresh fish into premium fish meal, fish oil and canned pilchards, renowned for their nutritional benefits. Our factory holds multiple global certifications. Sea Harvest International segment owns and operates 21 vessels and catches various species, including Western King and Brown Tiger prawn, as well as Spanish mackerel, that are harvested in Shark Bay, Exmouth and Broome in Western Australia. It also has trading and engineering divisions that operate out of Fremantle. Sea Harvest Aquaculture includes the abalone farming operations of Aquinian, as well as the aquafeed operations of Marrowfeed. Aquinian produces a wide range of abalone products in live, dried and canned formats, as well as vacuum-sealed pouches. Its abalone products have been awarded Global Gap Sustainability accreditation. Our Cape Harvest food business produces a variety of value-added dairy products, such as cheese, butter and milk powders at our Ladysmith Cheese and Mooifilet processing facilities in the Western Cape province of South Africa, which are marketed, sold and distributed in both retail and bulk formats.